Jambo, jambo, karibu sana to my channel. My name is Sharon aka Baraka, and you are welcome to Baraka Reality Media. If you are new here, karibu sana. You are very welcome. Please make yourself comfortable, take a seat and make yourself comfortable, feel at home. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the reason that I keep coming back for more and more content. Karibu sana and feel at home as well. So today is another day. It's just a relaxing day for me, and you know, for me there's no relaxing. When I get an opportunity to relax, that's when I come out and I come to give you information. So I'm here, guys, to give you more information. And in today's video I'll be talking about those who want to relocate to the UK because they have found a spouse or they have a fiancé who is a British citizen and they wish to relocate on what is called a spouse visa or a fiancé visa. Please don't go anywhere. Listen to this video until the end because I have vital information. But before we do that, subscribe. Alright, so let's carry on with this important topic. So this is still another route of people who want to relocate to the UK. You can be able to come to visit your fiancé if you have someone who is settled in the UK, who have settled status in the UK. Either they have British citizenship or they have what is called indefinite leave to remain. If you get married to one of those, or if you are engaged to one of those, you will be eligible to come to the UK. They can support your application to come to the UK and you will be able to settle here. So what you need to do is, if you're coming, let's talk about let's start with the fiancé visa. So say you're in a relationship with a British citizen here in the UK or someone who has settled status, and you want to come and visit them because you haven't met and you need to meet them for the first time. You can apply for what is called a fiancé visit visa. With the fiancé visit visa, you will be able to come and visit for up to 6 months. So the visa is usually 6 months. You can come, stay in the UK for those 6 months whilst you get to know your fiancé or your partner. Then you will be able to you can arrange for a wedding, because one of the rules of the fiancé visa is that you will get married within 6 months of arriving in the UK. So within that time you can arrange to do a wedding. You don't have to do a big massive wedding that's going to cost a lot of money. You can do you know, you can just go to the registrar, go with the people that are going to be the people that are going to sign for you, you know, come a best man and best maid, just exactly like you do it in whichever country you are coming from. You will need somebody to sign for you. So you don't actually, the point I'm trying to make is you don't have to make it extravagant. You don't have to do a very big wedding so that you get your visa. No, you can come with that fiancé visa, do a wedding here in the UK. You have to do that wedding within 6 months of arrival, and then you now then change the status from that fiancé visit visa to what is called a spouse visa. Okay, now that brings me to the spouse visa. By the way, mtu aliniambia ati I talk like a teacher because I keep saying okay. I'm not a teacher, and I've never even wanted to be a teacher anyway. I don't know why I keep saying okay, but I guess I'm just trying to make the point through. Mshike vizuri. And apologies to those of you who don't understand Swahili. I know I love speaking Swahili here and there, but I said learn some Swahili along with me as I speak. Anyway, back to my topic. So that leads me to the spouse visa. Now with the spouse visa, what you need to do is to do a wedding in your country of origin. So your fiancé, whoever is here in the UK, will come to the country where you are. You do a wedding, and then from still your country where you are, you apply for what is called a spouse visa. So when you apply for a spouse visa, you will be able to come to join your spouse here in the UK with that spouse visa. So you get everything from your country of origin and you enter the UK as a spouse. With a spouse visa, you will be eligible to work in the UK. The only thing you will not be eligible to do is to claim benefits, because that visa has a condition that is called no recourse to public funds. So with that, it means that you will not be eligible to claim the main benefits that people who are UK nationals are usually eligible to claim. With a fiancé visa, you will not be eligible to work or to claim benefits until you switch your visa to spouse visa. So very important that you remember that. With a fiancé visa, it's just like any other visitor's visa. That means you're not going to be eligible to work. You're not going to be eligible to claim any benefits. Your sponsor, your fiancé, will need to support you. And part of the application is they'll have submitted their information to show that they're able to support you during the duration that you're here in the UK, so that you're not struggling financially. So I think what you need to get to be able to get as a sponsor, as a person who is sponsoring someone to come through the fiancé route, is, if I'm not wrong, you have to be earning around 18 grand per year. I think it's between £18,000 per year to around £22,000 per year that you need to be earning for you to be able to sponsor somebody as a spouse or as a fiancé. Okay, so back to the spouse visa, what I was saying is it will come with no recourse to public funds, but you'll be eligible to work. So you can come and start work immediately. Nothing stops you from finding employment and working here in the UK. So if you have a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a fiancé, or you get married, that's that's another way that you can come to the UK. Yeah, and you stay with that visa. That's another thing I wanted to talk about. You stay with that visa for 5 years. So initially they will give it to you 2.5 years, and then after another 2.5 years you will extend it again to another 2.5 years, so a total of 5 years before you yourself can make an application for what is called indefinite leave to remain, therefore giving you permanent residency. After you stay with it for 5 years, then you stay another 1 year with the indefinite leave to remain, and you can now apply for British citizenship. So in total it will take you about 6 years before you can become a British citizen yourself. So that's another route that, if you want to relocate to the UK, maybe you have a boyfriend, maybe you have a girlfriend, maybe you're married to somebody who is settled or is a citizen here in the UK, that's another way that you can be able to come to the UK. Another important thing to remember is that there are things that when you come here, particularly if you bring children, there are laws and regulations that you have to abide by. Just like any other country, there are rules and regulations to abide by, and that's the other video I'm going to be talking to you about, because I know a lot of people have found themselves in a lot of problems when they have come here to the UK and they don't know the rules, especially around children, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. There are things that you really need to be careful, otherwise you may find yourself in big problem. Anyway, I'm not here to discourage you. I just wanted to share that information because some of you have asked what are the other ways that you can relocate if you want to relocate. So it's not just the work visa, neither is it just the student visa. There's also this other route of spouse visa or fiancé visa. So guys, I'm going to wrap it up here now, and until we do another video, until the next video guys, for now we say Baraka.